they came and did misdig and painted on the road. They didn't paint on the driveway, thank heavens. But they painted on the road, they painted on the yard, they painted everywhere. Then they trimmed a bunch of branches back. They could have cut the branch off a little closer to the tree so you wouldn't have this ugly stub sticking up there. But, you know, they're paid by the hour, not by the job. So they wanted to get done, get out of here. I think they're actually paid by the job from the looks of the thing, because they only did half the job and they got paid the whole amount of money. What do you think? So anyways, well, it looks like they're setting more power poles. I don't know what UCI is. Underground Contractors Incorporated, I guess. Hi, fellas.
How we doing, sir?
Oh, pretty good so far. Are you going to be doing any digging in the yard, in my yard?
Is this your place?
Yeah, the blue house.
Nope. We set a pole here, and we were given bad information. We set it in the wrong place, so we're moving it to right there. Somebody misdug your yard for it, and it was supposed to go down there, and it's all only being done because AT&T wouldn't listen to me and let me fix it my way, because I could have fixed it without any poles, but they want to do things their way. They're the
So
boss.
you're not doing any more underground work out here?
No, sir.
Okay,
Nope.
cool. Because I want to take up the flags. I want to mow the yard.
Yep, I was just going to say that you can, everything will be done when we leave here today, and they marked the wrong spot on us. It happens.
Shit happens.
Yep, it sure does.
I was a contractor for a few years, and I understand how it goes. They give you a piece of paper, and it says, go do this, and you go do it, and they say, that's not where you're supposed to be.
It's the communications industry. They can't communicate.
Well, they can, but they just choose not to.
I know that. You're 100% right there. All right, Aaron, I think we can set up right here.
Okay.
You can grab that. Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
Yep, you too. Yeah, it'd be nice to have one of those. Got the claw on top of it. That's kind of cool. Now I can lay it down, sling it up and set it on top of the truck. Get under it, dude. Fishing it down through the tree. There you go. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.